I am in a different scenery. Where am I? I don't know. Did I get my own apartment? Ooh. Clickbait. Hey, what's up, you guys? It is Lily here. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, that makes sense. So for today's video, as you can probably tell by the title, I got my room redecorated. So just like a little backstory, me and my older sister share a room, and me and my sister went on vacation with my dad and my stepmom and stepsister. But right before me and my sister left, my mom like made me and her like clean and de-junk our whole entire room. And I was like, Mom, like I really don't want to do this. And I was like, why are you forcing me? And so little did I know that as me and my sister were on vacation, she would be redoing my room. And she painted it, she decorated all of it, she did the blinds, like she did all of it herself. And I'm so eternally grateful for it, and I cannot express like how happy I am. I don't know, I think I've only filmed like 2 videos in this room, but like with my old walls. I don't know, maybe if I can find a video, I'll like put it up here somewhere and you guys can see like what it looked like before. But it's not like fully done. It's done, but like there's like small things, and I am so excited. Okay, I'm done talking. I hope you guys like this video, and let's tour this room. Okay, Jesus. Okay, so as soon as you walk into my room, so like there's the door, you walk in and you see my dresser. So I have this dresser and my sister has this one. And this one I've had for like, I don't even know, for a really long time, and I have no idea where it is from. I don't know. But, and then you look to your right, and I have this table that I do my work on, my schoolwork. I think she sanded this. Oh, this is nice. And then I have this lamp. This table is from like an old school. This mirror, I think, is probably from Marshall's. Couldn't really tell you. This is probably from Target or Marshall's. And then right behind my door is this like coat hanger thing. It's like that kind of wood. And then I just hang like my robe, my towel, my coats on it. And this color is like, it's a little bit different on camera, but it's like a very, very light pale gray. So yeah, if you couldn't like really, oh wow, if you couldn't like, you know, tell. And then so over here we have the laundry bin. It's so cute. This is from Marshall's. And then my closet, nothing really fancy about that. And then she got this like choose happiness sign to put right above our closet, so that whenever we're laying in bed we can read it all the time. And I think she got that at Walmart, I'm pretty sure. And then on top of my dresser, these are probably from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. That's a picture of me and my sister whenever we were little teeny tiny babies. If you can't tell, I'm the one on the left. I'm sure you could, because I kind of look the same. And then this little bin with a bunch of random stuff in it is, probably from Walmart, Target, something like that. And then, yeah, my carpet's pretty ugly, but we're not going to talk about it. Okay, so right next to my door is, so like I have this side and my sister has this side. And I have like some random stuff. And that's a picture of me and my mom. This is a jewelry box that I've had for ages and ages. And then there's just like some random stuff. And then there's this mirror. Hi. I don't know where she got this. I'll try and see. I'll ask her whenever she gets home. But I'll ask her where it's from. It's probably from Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I would be assuming, because that's where she shops a lot. And then I got this for Christmas. I think this might be from Target. And then my sister loves unicorns, so she has a unicorn piggy bank. And then I have a candle with Frenchies on it, and then that's her side. She keeps all of her clothes in there, and then we keep our shoes in there. What else? This is very, very old as well. A lot of this main furniture is really old. I've had since I was like 10. And then I have this record player that my mom's work was giving away in their old high school. And so she was like, oh my god, yeah, like Lily would love that. So my mom gave this to me, which is really, really nice. And then down here I just keep all of my records and stuff, and then I have a little mason jar full of picks and whatnot for my guitar. There's my purse. So this is my sister's side. That's what her bedding looks like. I believe she already had this blanket. I don't know where it's from. I think it might be from Target. And then this, I'm assuming is from Marshall's. I can list everything like down below whenever I know for sure where she got it. This pillow is probably the same from Marshall's or Target or something, or maybe even Walmart. I don't know. And then I think that's from, this is either from Marshall's or Walmart. I think it's from Walmart. Yeah. And then here's our little nightstand in between our beds. I think this is also from Walmart. Yeah, I think this is from Walmart. And then this is my bed. Here's a little overview. I'm obsessed with it. It's so soft. It's like this blanket, first off, this is like teddy bear material, and then the outside of it's like very soft. Oh, I love it. And then my comforter is like shabby, like a bear. It's really, really soft. What else? She got me like this, because my mattress is kind of crappy, so she got me this like mattress pad that goes on top of my mattress, so I'm not like dying every night. And then she got me new pillow covers, and she got like this jersey material. My sister really likes it, so I guess I like it too. And then I'm assuming she got these pillows the same place she got that one. Again, probably Marshall's, TJ Maxx, something like that. And so yeah, it's like the softest thing ever. And then this is my little section. I'm obsessed with this. I seriously love it so much. This little, I don't know what you would call it, painting, I guess. Yeah, it's a painting lily. What else would it be? Coloring book? I don't know. I'm assuming, I don't want to take it off the wall, but I'm assuming it's from Marshall's. But it's like me in a painting. It's my favorite colors. It's fashion. It's everything that I love. And then over here is just like cool little sketches. Not really like color painting things. I'm really good at describing stuff if you can't tell. There's just like a pair of heels and then lipstick and perfume, and I thought that was very chic and very me. My mom's just so good like that. And then these cute little curtains that are so cute, and they match wonderfully. And so here's a little overview of my room. Ta-da! Okay, so that's it for today's video. I'm sorry that I look like this right now, but I really just wanted to get this video up because I wanted it to look like this before my sister trashed it. Sorry, Soph. I'm just really, truly blessed that my mom did this in like a week. It's insane. Like, I don't know why she's not like an interior designer. She's a teacher, but she's good at what she does. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry that I didn't really know where everything was from because majority of it's very old, but I'll list anything that I can find or that she remembers where she got it from. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!